In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on dark mode in Google Classroom. First of all, launch open Google Classroom application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Google Classroom has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to turn on the dark mode, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find the options like account settings, change name, notifications, etc. Tap on this option, choose theme. Now after you do that, you'll be able to choose the theme. You'll be able to find three options over here: system default, dark, light. Simply tap on this option dark that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the dark mode has been enabled. So that is how you turn on dark mode in Google Classroom. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.